guys, Josh from JSAI Aero here. We have just put into production our M-Spec Style front lip for the R33 GTS-T. In this video, I'd like to show you how this product fits straight out of the bag, the mounting points it uses, and the hardware we provide. Now, this product, like all our products, are handmade by us at our workshop here in Australia. Now, like all aftermarket products, we highly recommend you do a trial fit before you prime and paint. Now let's get stuck into it. Okay, so we've just taken it out of the bag. I like to start with the center section first. Slide it in as far back as you can get it. Now with the sides, I intentionally leave the lip lower than the body line. I pull it back and it'll slide up and into position. You'll know you have it in the right spot when the two pre-drilled holes in the lip line up with the two pre-drilled holes on the bar. Now let's go to the other side. As I explained on the other side, it's going to be much easier if you pull the lip back and you pull it down and up. So you want to use both hands here, down, up, and it's going to pretty much slide itself into position like it just has. And you're trying to line up the pre-drilled holes on the lip to the pre-drilled holes on the bar. This is the hardware we provide. Standard M6 threaded bolts with a 10mm head, M6 threaded U-clips, and both of these are to be used on the lower section of the lip and in the wheel arches. If your bar does not come with the 4 pre-drilled holes, we do provide these self-tapping bolts with a 10mm head. And if you're after a more flush look in the wheel arch, we also provide these 4 plastic clips with a nice flush finish. Now let's see where they're used. Let's start with the sides and get those U-clips shown you before. I've already put them into position. You just slide them into place like so. Now you get your standard 10mm bolts. Just line them up with the hole. Quick little turn, get them started, and then drill them into place. And here's where you can use your standard clips, the flush clips, if you didn't want to use the bolts, or if you don't have the holes in the bar, you can use the coarse headed bolt here. It'll just self-tap into the plastic and you're good to go. And at the bottom, you just use the U-clips again, slide them into place. There's pre-drilled holes in the lower part of the lip. Just put these in position already. Find there's 3 in the center and 2 either side. Let's do them up. Alright guys, let's see how this fits. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to check out our lip or see any of the other huge range of parts we make for mainly JDM sports cars, you can check them out on jsai.com.au. And just a reminder, we ship Australia-wide and worldwide. See you guys later.